Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Acon Quick Check Ultra Cholesterol Monitoring System. So as you can see, this is the Quick Check Ultra Cholesterol Monitoring System. This is the front view of the kit, and you can see this is the top view of the kit. So let me show you the sides. So as you can see, this is the Quick Check Cholesterol Monitoring System. You can see the reference number here, C1115017. You can see all these details over here. You can find the manufacturing address here. This is from the Acon Biotech from China. You can see, it contains all the other multi-language instructions and the instructions for use. So guys, let me open this for you. So on the top, as you can see, so on the top you can see, there is this pouch present here. So let me open this pouch for you. So I can see this is the Quick Check Ultra Cholesterol Total Monitor System. You can see this from Acon, and then as you can see, this is very handy to use. You can see all these details here. This is the cholesterol Acon meter. You can see all these details over here. You can see the model number here. So let me keep this back. Then we have the Lancet device. You have the Lancet device, and then we do have the batteries for the machine. You have the batteries. Then we have the quality control chip for the thing, and then we have the safety lancet. You can see, this is the safety lancet of 5 lancets. These are these things which comes with the machine. So let me check what the other things are present. Then we have the user manual. You can see the model number, and then we have the other documentations like the Carter di Grante, warranty card. Then we have the quick reference guide. And then we have the Lancet pack insert, the IFE brochure. We have the IFE brochure. And they have the Lancet brochure for the test cartridge. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of the Acon Quick Check Ultra Cholesterol Monitoring System. As you can see, it comes with the cholesterol monitoring system. Then we have the safety lancet. Then we have the quality control chip. Then we have 5 safe sterile lancets. Then we have the batteries for the machine. Then we have the IFU for the test strips. Then we have the IFU for the lancing device. Then we have the quick reference guide. Then we have the instruction manual. Then we have the warranty card. This is the warranty card. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of Acon Quick Check Ultra Cholesterol Monitoring System. Thank you.